Hello, Mai, and welcome to Toi Time. Oh, goody, it's the Toi Time trumpets. That means it's party time. Hoa ke tātou.
Activate landing. Kia ora, no mai, hoki mai, kia Toi Time. I'm Tama, and I love airplanes. Ngā waka rere rangi. Whoa!
Ko Maya aho, and I love pūrerehua, butterflies.
Ko Jojo aho, can you guess what I am?
A bird.
Oh, great guess. He manu, I love pretending to be a bird.
Planes, butterflies, and birds all have something very special in common.
That's right. He pāko, he pariro rānei. Today's show is all about things with wings.
Oh, there are so many different things with wings. Morena mohio.
Kia ora, my wonderful winged friends. What can I answer for you today?
Mohio, mo te aha ngā pākau. Why do things have wings?
A wing is a limb or a structure that helps keep a plane or creature in the sky so it can fly.
Oh, thanks, Mohio.
I love flying, and I love my wings.
Me too.
Hoa ke tātou, flap your wings and let's go. Things with wings make my heart sing. The joy they bring when my eyes see them. Things with wings, I love to think. What are some things with wings? Way up in the sky, I see an aeroplane taking passengers on a holiday. Hanging upside down inside the darkest cave are furry little bats asleep all through the day. Things with wings make my heart sing. The joy they bring when my eyes see them. Things with wings, I love to think. What are some things with wings? Kiwi might have wings, but stay up on the ground. They seem to be alright, just fossicking around. And penguins use their wings Seagulls are around when it's a lovely day. They come and steal your chips and then they fly away. Kiddo are big, they make a mighty sound, and when they flap their wings, they're heard from all around. Things with wings make my heart sing, the joy they bring when my eyes see them. Things with wings, I love to think, what are some things with wings?
Perfect.
Kia ora, Tama. I've got the cones you wanted.
Oh, perfect timing, Maya. I need you to help me put the finishing touches on my taonga wakarererangi, my airport.
Wow. Te miharo hoki. I'd love to.
Awesome. Okay, so just place the cones along the sides of the runway.
Ka pai.
Cool.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. It's a beautiful day at the Toi Time Airport. Tama Flight 101 has an expected arrival time of precisely 11:04 a.m.
Morena. This is Captain Tama of Flight 101. Do you copy?
Morena, Captain Tama. This is Air Traffic Control. Copy.
Captain Tama requesting permission to land.
Copy that, Captain Tama. I'll complete all the necessary safety checks. One moment. Right. Yep. Kia ora, Captain Tama. Runway is clear. Oh no, tai hoake. Captain Tama, he raru kei te haere. We have a slight problem. A bird has landed on the runway. I repeat, he manu kai runga I te rori. Do not attempt to land.
Roger that. I'll maintain my cruising altitude until further notice.
Roger that. Okay. Morena Manu, excuse me. Would you please move off the runway? Kei te hia te wakarererangi, te heke mai ki te whenua. Oh no, it's no good. I don't speak bird and Manu doesn't speak human. What to do? Aha! I have an idea. Birdseed. I'll sprinkle a trail of birdseed and hopefully the Manu follows me. It worked! All right. Captain Tama, this is Air Traffic Control. The runway is now clear to land.
Copy that. Flight 101, coming in for landing. Nice work. Thanks for bringing us in safely, Air Traffic Control.
E pai ana, Captain Tama.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Birdcare Aotearoa. It's like a hospital and a rehabilitation place for wild birds. Erere. Before we go in, we have to be really quiet. Shh, there's baby Tui's in there. Come on. Look, they're about to be fed. Come on, let's go check out something else. Hey, check this out, whānau. It's a ruru. It's in here because it's got a missing toe, so it's just waiting for it to get fixed. I think I'm gonna have a steering contest with it. Oh, it won. Okay, let's see what else we can see. Whoa, look, it's a kiriru.
So this little guy flew into a window and broke a bone in his shoulder. So he's just waiting for that bone to heal and recover so he can fly again.
I hope you get better soon, kiriru. Come on. Guess what? I get to feed again it. Let's do it. Today, we're gonna feed it a pilchard. Tai. Tua. One more. Wow. It's a giant shag. This shag has been in here because it had a sore wing. But it's all better now, and it's about to be released. This is the place where the birds come to practice their flying and get really, really strong. Look, it's some young tuis. Kia ora. Wow. These ones are practicing their flying. Wow, what an amazing time today meeting all these manu. Ka kite anō whānau.
Aeroplane up in the sky, above the clouds, we're up so high. I left my home and now today I'll see special people who live far away. The roads and cars, they look so small. The houses don't look real at all. They look like toys I had at home for playing with friends and on my own. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day.
Tino pai. Don't worry, Manu. You are in safe hands at Tama's Bird Hospital.
Knock, knock.
Oh, who's there?
Statue.
Statue who?
Statue, bro. Kia ora. Kia ora.
Oh, kia ora, Buzz.
Hey.
Cuz.
Tama, what do you give a sick bird?
Yeah.
Treatment.
Oh, well, what did you bring to play today, Buzz?
I brought these cards to play my favorite game. You gotta have super fast hands. Kua rite koe.
Ai, kua rite au.
Here is your pile of cards. Don't look at them.
Oh.
Okay, and now you flip the top card up.
Aye.
All right, and then I'm gonna flip it up as well too. Okay, and if the cards match, the first person to slam their hand down and say snap wins the pile of cards. And we take turns, okay? Putting all the cards down until we get a match, and then whoever gets all the cards at the end wins. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, tīmata. All right. 5, king, 7, ace, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, snap!
Oh! Congratulations, Tama!
Oh, tino pai te tākaro kāri. Cards
Aye.
are fun.
Ai, tika. Hey, let's play again. Snap!
Ooh.
Kia ora tamariki mā. I'm Auntie Anika, and I'm feeling sad because my favourite t-shirt in the whole world got shrunk in the wash and it doesn't fit me anymore. See? I'm really sad I won't get to wear it again. You might feel sad if you lost your favourite toy or dropped your ice cream or if you had a fight with your friend. It's normal to feel sad when things go wrong. Io e pauri ana. When I feel sad, my chest feels a bit tight and my lips go weird and I cry tears from my eyes. See? Excuse me. Sometimes I just want to be on my own when I feel sad, and sometimes I need a hug. Oh, tēnā koe, Teddy. Oh, that does feel better. T-shirt, Teddy. Whoa! Just when you think things have gone wrong, they turn out just right. Okay, come on, Teddy. Oh, look, Teddy fits it. Remember, everyone feels sad sometimes. The most important thing is to tell someone so they can give you lots of love until the feeling passes. Kia tau anō te rangi Māori e. Ki runga i au, i a koe, i a tātou katoa.
You're really good at aerobatics, Oma.
Oh, thanks, Wolfie. Would you like to learn how to do an aerobatic roll?
Okay.
Okay, well, while you're flying forward, me huri pēnei, you turn like this. Oh. Whoa. Nailed it. Your turn, Wolfie.
Okay, Oma.
Oh, ka pai, Wolfie.
That was fun. Let's do it again.
Sometimes I wish I had a pet. I think it'd be the best. Sometimes I wish I had a pet. Oh, which pet would you get? I think that I would get a little puppy and I would scratch its little furry tummy. I think that I would get a little puppy. Oh, which pet would you get? I think that I would get a little kitten and I would get a box for it to sit in. I think that I would get a little kitten. Oh, which pet would you get? And then I think I'd get a baby rabbit and I would feed it little baby carrots. I think that I would get a baby rabbit. Oh, which pet would you get? Sometimes I wish I had a pet. I think it'd be the best. Sometimes I wish I had a pet. Oh, which pet would you get? I think that I would get a pretty goldfish and I would watch its tail as it goes swish. I think that I would get a pretty goldfish. Oh, which pet would you get? I think that I would get a baby chicken and it would be best friends with my kitten. I think that I would get a baby chicken. Oh, which pet would you get? And then I think I get a pretty pony and I would feed it cheese and macaroni. I think that I would get a pretty pony. Oh, which pet would you get? Sometimes I wish I had a pet. I think it'd be the best. Sometimes I wish I had a pet. Oh, which pet would you get?
We love dressing up. Thank you. I'm a butterfly. Mine's the fairy. Abby's the ladybug. Ranger the bat witch. Ready, steady, go! can run faster than our wings. We should are flying. Look, Abby. I'm a butterfly. I'm a fairy. I'm a bat witch.
Hey, you! Morena, Jojo. It's a beautiful day for flying.
It sure is. I'm so glad I have wings so I can fly like a bird.
Ooh! You know, Jojo, I was at the zoo one day and there were birds that couldn't even fly, even though they had wings. Rereke katoa tērā ki au.
Really? That doesn't sound right, Maya. Let's ask Mōhio.
Oh.
Hey, Mōhio, can all birds fly?
Kia ora. Aotearoa New Zealand has many native birds that cannot fly, such as kiwi, kakapo and takahe. They have wings, but they can't use them to fly. They run along the ground instead.
Well, you learn something new every day. Ngā mihi, Mōhio.
Ka reo pakuaha. You're welcome.
Hey, Jojo, do you know what else you can use your wings for, whether you're on the ground or the air?
What?
Tag, you're it.
Pūrerewa, pūrerewa, what can you see when you're floating above me, high in the sky? Pūrerewa, pūrerewa, what can you see when you're floating above me? Can you see the stars shining so brightly? Can you see the sun so happy and smiley? Do you love this world, or does it hold mystery for you? What can you see when you're floating above me, high in the sky? Can you see me wave, so happy to glimpse you? Does the wind kiss your face as you flutter your wings? Do you love this world, or does it hold mystery for you? Pūrerewa, pūrerewa, what can you see when you're floating above me?
Oh, just in time. Kia ora, Maya.
Kia ora, Jojo.
Today's What's in the Box is all about flying insects. Are you ready to play?
Flying insects? Oh, I'm not sure, Jojo. I'm a bit nervous about putting my hand in there now.
They're only toy ones, Maya. You just need to touch them and guess which flying insects they are. But if it's too scary, we can swap and I'll do the guessing. Right, ready?
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, this one feels like it has patterns on it. And it has the same shape on both sides. Oh, another one. Well, this one feels like it has a long body and it also feels like it has the same shape on both sides. Is the first one a butterfly?
Aye. And the second?
I think I'm going to need a clue, please, Jojo.
Okay. If a butterfly is your favourite, then this is your second favourite.
My second favourite? A dragonfly!
2 out of 2. Ka pai, butterfly.
Thanks, Jojo. I'm glad I was brave because it was worth it.
Oh, kei runga no atu koe, Maya. You're the best.
Hi.
There you go. You ready?
Hello.
Where's the eggs? Jack, left. Oh, wow. Is there more? Wow. Wow.
Be very careful, Tia. Don't drop them. But full eggs. Bye.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is Story Time. Today's story is about Tavita and his feathered friend, Chico. Manulele. Chico is Tavita's pet budgie. Chico has green wings, a yellow tummy, and a brown nose. She was allowed to fly free whenever Tavita's Auntie Maria came to visit. Auntie Maria works at the zoo. Tavita loves that his auntie is a zookeeper, and when she comes to see them, he has lots of questions to ask her about the birds, and especially about Chico. How many manulele are at the zoo, Auntie? What is the kia's favourite food? Can the pea waka waka really fly upside down? What's your favourite bird, Auntie? Tavita tries to get all of his questions out in one breath. Auntie Maria laughs and says to Tavita, I'll try and answer all of your questions one at a time, but first I need an iputi for a mole mole. Auntie Maria, Nana and Mum sit at the table and have a cup of tea, and Auntie Maria answers Tavita's questions while he listens. One day, I'll be a zookeeper just like you, Auntie Maria, Tavita tells her. Auntie Maria smiles. Chico lands on Tavita's head and squawks, giving them all a big fright and making them laugh. Pa soipoa. See you next time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. I'll get there, I know we'll see you again. Yeah. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. I'll get there, I know we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.